Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome to our new TV. Today I will clear you what is life in a different way. So let's start. We live this one routine of a day for 80 years and we call it life. No, that's not life. If you are still thinking why you have been sent here, if you're still juggling with the concept of why you are here, you haven't lived yet. You work hard and make money. Do it for yourself. No, that's not life. You go out and you seek for people who need your help. You make their life better. You become the sponge which can be absorb all negativity. And you become the person who can emit a beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, and because of you, this person didn't give up. That is the day when you live your life fully. Expect yourself in the way you are. Be kind yourself. Be kind yourself. I will repeat, be kind yourself. And only then you can be kind to others. Love yourself and spread that love. Life will be hard. There will be turmoils. There will be trials, but that will only make you stronger. Never give up. Carry on. You will be success definitely. Signing off, Needy TV.